Here I am at the chocolate factory. Hey there, cute little girl. All kind of different chocolate. Dark chocolate, milk chocolate, white chocolate. Here's a wonderful young lady, Tammy, giving out free samples.
Hi there. Welcome to Angell and Phelps. Would you like a free sample?
Yes, I would.
We have peanut clusters and caramel chips, pretzels, lemon and raspberry.
Caramel.
Milk or dark?
Milk.
There you are.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a blessed day.
You too.
Mom, there's some candy seashells. See that chocolate flow over there? Pretty cool, right?
It makes chocolate.
I know, I see it.
It's ice cream.
No, that's not ice cream, buddy. It's gotta be something else. It's not ice cream.
It's chocolate.
Yes, it is chocolate.
Ah!
I did taste one. When I say taste, I mean I eat the whole thing. That's literally it. Yeah, chocolate, buddy.
Ice cream.
No, it's not ice cream, dude. No, it's like
Different types of chocolate there.
it looks like something. It doesn't look like ice cream, but it's all chocolate.
So the shells are removed, windowed, revealing nibs above left, which are pressed between heated rollers, making a thick, liquefied mixture above right. Under hydraulic pressure, cocoa butter is drawn off, leaving cocoa cake. Below are the three products produced by this press: cocoa cake, cocoa butter, which then purified is solid at room temperature below left, and chocolate liqueur below right. More about the chocolate. And the reason very few people are in there making chocolate right now is most of them are at lunch. And that's the end of the tour for this chocolate factory. Thank you, and catch you later on another one of my adventures.